Yesterday, I told you that you wouldn't understand this Spanish. Loco, deja el bulto y atiende que todo el mundo está claro. A lot of you didn't, and some of you got frustrated. Some of you say, this is too fast. And some of you say something even more interesting. This isn't real Spanish. Let me stop you right there. This is real Spanish. And if you didn't understand it, that doesn't mean you're bad. It means you've been trained for something that doesn't exist in real life. You've been trained to expect perfection. You expect every word to match exactly. You expect every sound to be clear. You expect every letter to be there. You expect the S. You expect the endings. You expect the structure. And when it doesn't match, your brain panics. It freezes. And you say, I don't understand. But that's not the real problem. The real problem is that you're listening like you're reading. When you read Spanish, everything is perfect. The words are complete. The grammar is clean. The structure is clear. And your brain feels comfortable. But when you listen, everything changes. Letters disappear, sounds merge, people don't finish words. They connect everything. And suddenly, this Spanish you learn doesn't sound like the Spanish you hear. And that gap, that confusion, that's where you are right now. So listen carefully. The goal is not to understand every word. I'm going to repeat that. The goal is not to understand every word. It's to understand the message, the idea, the intention, the vibe. You're waiting to hear the S in preocupes. You're waiting for it. But it's not coming. So when someone says, no te preocupe, your brain says, that's wrong. That's incomplete. That's not what I learned. And you stop understanding. But listen, they're still telling you the same thing. They're telling you, don't worry. And you already know that. You just don't trust it. This is the part nobody teaches you. You have to trust the partial understanding. You have to accept that you don't need everything to understand something. When someone speaks, you're not just hearing the words. You're hearing the tone. You're hearing the rhythm. You're hearing the emotion. And your brain understands that faster than grammar. If someone sounds relaxed, they're not arguing. If someone sounds excited, they're not complaining. If someone sounds annoyed, they're not joking. You already understand this in your own language. Now you just have to apply it to Spanish. When someone says, esa vaina está dura, you might not understand every word, but you hear confidence, you hear approval, you feel it, and your brain knows this is something good. When someone says, mano, eso no me cuadra, you hear hesitation, you hear doubt. And even if you don't translate it perfectly, you understand the situation. When someone says, vamos a ver que lo que, you don't need to translate every word. You recognize the energy. It's casual, it's social, it's natural. You're not learning new words right now. You're changing how you're listening. That's deeper, that's harder. But that's what actually makes you fluent. If you chase perfection, you stay stuck. If you accept progress, you move forward. If you wait to understand everything, you miss everything. But if you allow yourself to understand 30%, then 40%, then 60%, you grow. And here's something important. You're already doing it. You're already recognizing patterns. You're already catching sounds. You're already improving. You just don't see it yet. Let me tell you something most people don't realize. Even native speakers don't hear every word perfectly. They miss things. They feel gaps. They really on context. They use intuition. And now so do you. So let's lock this in. You're not trying to understand everything. You're trying to catch something. And then a little more. And then a little more. And then one day you understand almost everything. This is the part where most people quit. They feel uncomfortable. They feel lost. They feel like they're not good enough. They stop. But if you stay here, if you keep listening, if you keep exposing yourself, you break through. Stop saying, I don't understand. Start saying, I'm not used to it yet. That sentence changes everything. At the beginning, this felt impossible. You hear noise, you hear chaos, you hear something that didn't match what you learned. But now you hear the patterns, you hear the rhythm, you hear meaning. Even if it's not perfect, it's real. And that is how fluency actually starts. This is the Spanish nobody teaches you, but the one everyone speaks. If you want to actually understand real Spanish, you have to train like this. And if you stay with me, I'll keep pushing you. I'll keep training you here. And each time you'll understand more. Next time it gets harder. And here's what I want you to do. When this video ends, watch it again. But this time, don't just listen. Pay attention to what you're doing differently. Notice how you are not waiting for every word anymore. Notice who you're catching sounds. Notice who you're understanding the message, not the exact words. The message. And write it down. Write down what changed. Write down what you're doing now that you weren't doing before. Because that's how you make this permanent. If you really want this to stick, watch this again tomorrow. And notice something. It's going to feel easier. Not because the video changed, but because you changed. So now, let's test you with more examples. Don't overthink it. Don't translate. Just listen. And let me tell you what you catch. When you hear, estoy cansado, me voy para mi casa. What do you catch? Maybe you hear casa. Maybe you hear boy. That's enough. They're saying, I'm tired. I'm going home. See? You didn't need every word. Try this one. Vamos a ver si esa vaina funciona. What did you catch? Maybe funciona. Maybe vaina. That's enough to understand the situation. They're basically saying, let's see if that thing works. Now listen to this. Mano, no te apures, eso se resuelve. What did you feel? Home? Reassurance? Exactly. They're saying, don't worry, that gets solved. You see what's happening? You're not translating everything. You're catching enough. And your brain completes the rest. That's real listening. Let's test you again. But this time, I want you to focus on the vibe, not the words. Esa vaina está dura, loco. What does it feel like? Positive? Confident? Exactly. That's someone saying, something is really good. No me cuadra esa vaina. What does it feel like? Doubt? Confusion? Exactly. They don't trust it. So now, you're not just listening, you're understanding. Let's test you one more time. Just trust yourself. Vamos para la calle, que lo coro tan bueno. What did you catch? A street? Good. That's enough. You're saying, let's go out. The vibe is good. Do you see the difference now? At the beginning, this felt impossible. But now you're catching meaning. You're feeling the language. You're understanding without needing everything. So don't leave this as just a video you watch. Turn it into something you train with. Watch the game. Pay attention to how you listen. And write down what you should do. Because once you become aware of that, you don't go back. You still out to 10 members. Patrice 994. Joseph 5019. Access Troy. God Cage. Workshop Proprietor. BFBSU 123. Lydia Live 08. Hypnotic Green. Bajur Water TV. Nolan 550 TV. Viewer 70. Que lo que. Bad news.